Do you remember that sinking feeling when you realize you're locked out of something crucial? Maybe it's your house, your car, or perhaps your ZenBusiness email. That last one hits different, doesn't it? Because in today's digital landscape, your business email isn't just an address. It's a lifeline. It's where client communications land, where invoices are sent, where vital updates from ZenBusiness itself arrive. And if you're staring at that login screen, drawing a blank on your password, you're not just inconvenienced. You're potentially missing out on critical information that impacts your livelihood. We've all been there, juggling a million passwords for a dozen different services. Your personal email, social media, banking, streaming platforms, and then, of course, all your business tools. It's a digital labyrinth, and sometimes a password just slips through the cracks of your memory, especially for something like ZenBusiness email, which you might not access every single day. But when you do, you really need to. This isn't about forgetting your Netflix password. It's about potentially disrupting your business operations. So, if you're asking yourself, what is my ZenBusiness email password? You're in good company. This isn't a question that comes from carelessness, but often from the sheer volume of digital credentials we manage. And the good news is, there are clear, straightforward paths to getting back into your inbox. We're going to walk through them, step by step, making sure you understand not just how to find or reset your password, but also why these methods are in place and how they keep your business information secure. Because while convenience is key, security is paramount. First things first, let's clarify what we're talking about when we say ZenBusiness email. For many of you, your ZenBusiness package might have included a business email service, often powered by a third-party provider like Google Workspace, Gmail, or Microsoft 365 Outlook. This is crucial because your ZenBusiness account password is not necessarily your email password. ZenBusiness provides the service, but the actual email platform has its own separate login credentials. Think of it like buying a car. The dealership sells you the car, but the key to starting it is unique to that vehicle. Your ZenBusiness account is your dealership, and your email is the car. So, the very first step in solving this mystery is to identify which email service you're using. Did ZenBusiness set you up with a Gmail account for your business? Or is it an Outlook account? Perhaps another provider? Often, you'll remember seeing the familiar login screen for Gmail or Outlook when you first set it up. If you're unsure, check your initial onboarding emails from ZenBusiness. They usually specify the email service provisioned. This distinction is vital because the password recovery process will be handled by the actual email provider, not directly by ZenBusiness. Let's assume for a moment that your ZenBusiness email is powered by Google Workspace, which is a very common offering. If you've forgotten your password, your journey begins not on the ZenBusiness website, but on the Google login page. You'll enter your business email address, e.g., yourname@yourcompany.com, and then, when prompted for the password, you'll look for the Forgot Password link. This is your gateway to regaining access. Google has a robust password recovery system designed to verify your identity. This might involve sending a verification code to a recovery phone number or a recovery email address you previously set up. Could also involve answering security questions. The key here is that Google is trying to ensure that only you can access your account. This is why having up-to-date recovery options is so incredibly important. Take a moment right now to check your Google account settings and make sure your recovery phone number and email are current. It's a small proactive step that can save you a huge headache later. Now, what if your ZenBusiness email is through Microsoft 365? The process is remarkably similar, just on a different platform. You'd navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page, enter your business email address, and again, you'd find a Forgot My Password or Can't Access Your Account link. Microsoft's identity verification process is equally stringent. They might send a code to a registered phone number or alternate email, or ask you to confirm recent account activity. Just like with Google, maintaining accurate recovery information within your Microsoft account is your best defense against being locked out. But what if you're not sure which service it is, or you simply can't remember setting up any recovery options? This is where ZenBusiness support comes in as a crucial resource. While they don't directly store your email password, for security reasons, no reputable service should, They can often provide guidance on which email service you're using and, in some cases, help you navigate the initial steps of the third-party password recovery process. Think of them as your informed concierge. They can point you to the right door, even if they don't have the key to open it themselves. Contacting ZenBusiness support, either through their website's chat function or by phone, should be a priority if you're hitting a wall. Be prepared to verify your identity with them, as they'll need to confirm you're the legitimate account holder before offering any assistance. This is for your protection, to ensure no unauthorized person can gain information about your services. It's also worth considering if you're using a password manager. Tools like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden are lifesavers in this complex digital world. If you've been diligently using one, your ZenBusiness email password might be securely stored there. This is always the quickest and most reliable way to retrieve a forgotten password, as long as you can access your password manager. If you aren't using one, this might be the perfect catalyst to start. They don't just store passwords. They can also generate strong, unique passwords for each service, significantly enhancing your online security. Finally, a word on best practices. Once you've regained access to your ZenBusiness email, take a moment to reset your password to something new, strong, and memorable. A strong password combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Even better, consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your email account. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring not just your password but also a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. It's an extra step, but it's an incredibly powerful deterrent against unauthorized access. For your business email, this isn't just a good idea. It's a necessity. Imagine the damage if someone gained access to your client communications or financial information. 2FA is your digital bodyguard. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.